Hi, everybody. Happy Friday. We are moving into getting things back to normal, which means you will have learning targets and do nows for these types of assignments. So today is the 24th of April. Your learning target for this assignment is to uncover and analyze relatable nonfiction articles. Your do now is what new ways can we improve our life from home? With this new pandemic, obviously, there's things that have shifted. There's things in your life that are going to be a little chaotic and different. However, what we can do as teachers is try to keep things as normal as possible. So what we're going to do today is take a break from the book. Obviously, your assignment is due at 2 o'clock, but for the Glass Castle that was posted yesterday. But for today, you're just going to watch along, and we're just going to talk about the experience of this new website. We're going to balance nonfiction with fiction, which means we're going to read some real life articles that are going on right now about some of the things that you're dealing with. So this website, if you will follow me, it is called treehugger.com. And what's great about it is that you are able to pick whatever article you like based on your interest. And so I picked... just so you know a little bit about Tree Hugger, it's environmentally friendly articles written by real journalists. And so something that I was interested in was the coronavirus and the future of restaurants. I thought this was very relatable, and it gets me thinking. And so what you would do is click on the article, you'd go through it, you'd read it, right? And then you would just write a response. And we're going to discuss these read, things that you may not been exposed to in the past. So basically, you will get the link in Google Classroom. You'll go to the first page, and how you can see other articles that you might be interested in, because they have sports, they have stuff with makeup, they have they're going on obviously with the coronavirus, but more importantly, there's other things on here that I want you to explore. You can click around with the tabs and really just click on whatever you'd like and read through some of them. I've gotten really good feedback in the past from students, so I think you'll really like this. So what you're going to do today is you're going to tell me what you like about the article, about the website. So you'd go and click these tabs, right? So there will be a stream on Google Classroom today. And then just underneath, tell me something about the website that, you found interesting. If you maybe want to read an article today, you can, and then kind of talk about the article you read and why. They're not very long, but definitely, navigate this website. It's really, really interesting. I think you guys are really going to like it. It also connects to science. Some of it connects to math, business, education, entertainment. So I think it'll be a really great thing for you guys to look through and like. So that will conclude our screencast for today. And I want you to think about this do now that, we'll discuss in the stream as well. So what new ways can we improve our life from home? Even if it's anything environmentally friendly, if it's something that you can do on a small scale, think about this, okay? And we'll talk about it in the stream today.